one of the challenges for public officials with a hurricane is that you don't know really precisely what its track is going to be until comparatively a short amount of time before it actually makes landfall or until it reaches a particular area. So if we look at Hurricane Irene, if the track had been just a little bit different, or if it hadn't, or if the storm hadn't weakened in a day or two before it made landfall the way that it did, we could have been looking at a very different situation along much of the coastline. And as it was, this was a significant event with a lot of rainfall, a lot of wind, coastal erosion. Unfortunately, there were a number of fatalities along the East Coast. So even as a Category 1 storm, this was still fairly significant. And one of the things also that we'll see over the next couple of days is flooding as all the rain starts to drain out into the various streams and channels. So for some places, there's still a risk. So this was not a minor storm.